Dimlyama is traditional Uzbek stew, which is made with meat and vegetables. I will cook it today with chicken drumsticks for leaner option and bunch of vegetables such as onion, carrot, green pepper, tomato, eggplant, potato and cabbage. Also seasonings such as salt, black pepper and cumin. Let's start to fry drumsticks with onion until chicken a little golden and onions a little soft and also golden. Meanwhile, prepare the vegetables. Cut them all in pretty big pieces. Now, when chicken and onions look beautifully fried, I will start lay out the vegetables in layers. Season the layers with salt, black pepper and cumin seeds. I will not use water to cook this dish. Usually the meat and vegetables produce enough juices and the dish gets cooked in its own juices. The last layer of vegetables should be cabbage. When all vegetables in a pot, cover it and cook it on medium to low heat for about 40 minutes. I suggest not to open the pot until it's done. Keep all the steam inside the pot. 40 minutes later, open it, add your favorite herbs, and you're ready to serve it. On a serving plate, place chicken and pieces of every vegetable that you cooked. This is perfect and healthy choice for everyday dinner. You can serve it with any of your favorite salad. Try to cook this dish and let me know in the comments how it worked for your family. My family loves it. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.